guys, how you doing?
Hey guys.
Alright, we gotta do some work today. We're gonna take the 54 and we gotta get some rims, and we might have to play around with an old Valiant. I'm gonna see the guy, place I'm going, the guy, I'm not sure if he's gonna let us record. So this might be a waste of time, short video, but if he does let us record, it's gonna be freaking cool. So all right, let's go check it out. Of outside the truck. Alright, give me a second. Oh, hell yeah. Oh no, somebody else. So much traffic. Alright guys, we made it and we got permission to record some cool stuff. I'm not going to show it to you all today, but what we're doing right now is we're swapping rims on a 63 Ford F100. So, got a pair of deep slots, we got lug nuts, we got tools, we got a jack. And that's what we're going to do. It's going to be awesome. So let's get into position and take care of this. Look at this parking spot. Oh, there's Chuck. Chuck. Alright. Got a shoebox forward. We'll be all good. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Oh. Hit my head. Alright, what do we got here? This is one of the toys. Just one of them. But 56, I want to say. Two-door Crown Vic. It's not bad. It's got a 302 in it. It's good. It's not bad. It's not bad. I gotta get those wheels from him too. Alright, let's go into the back here. Let's see. Locks. Oh, it's one of these. Alright. Come on. All right, we're in. Wow! All right. Let's get into position here. Look at this awesomeness. That side is going to be a pain in the butt. Oh. What do we got? It used to be my Thunderbird, and someday it might be again because I love it. Absolutely love it. I need that back. I need that in my life. Here's a 63. This is what we gotta get the wheels off of. No. Nope. See, I'm confused. This is the one we gotta get the wheels off of. That's the... Wait a second. Is that... Let me know in the comments. I think that's a... That's a 60... They might be both 63s. There's the grill. There's this. Big Al. And then this one's got some custom work done to it. Oh, it's got racing seats in there. And then here's another shoebox Ford. This came from my buddy. I think this is a 49. You let me know. Look at that. Look at that. That's the best. That's the absolute best. He will sell if you have the right price. And you know, Rockford, Illinois. He's got a lot of stuff. He's got a lot of stuff. And that's good. It's good. He doesn't waste his time with junk. Some of it might be a little rough, but everything's rough. I'm rough. Alright. Let's get our tools and swap the rims out. I bought these for the Imperial. I like them. I love them. Alright, so that's what I want. That's what we're going to do. It's so heavy. What do we do? Go in front, on the side? Oh. Ooh, I might be able to get it in one. Yeah. Good enough. I'm I'm tired. Oh, they're tight. And she's free. Oh, yeah. She's been cut free. She has been cut free. Classic. That's some Mortsky stuff right there. Nice. I forgot to turn the camera on, but just imagine a guy bolting on a wide slot. Man, it does look good with wide slots. All right, on to the other side. Second verse, same as the first. A great success. Oh, it's hot. All right. Oh, that coil spring fell out too. Oh, that rotor is not cut, but she's locked up. Oh man, I'm getting too old for this shit. I'm getting too old for this shit. Oh yeah. Come in the hole. Oh, I'm gonna make a monkey's ass of myself trying to put this on. We got this slot, and then over here we got this slot. I think it looks cool. I think it looks very cool. Very, very cool. I think the lips on them are about the same. So, all right. Oh, we'll load up our stuff. Oh, look at that. Look at that treat. Look at that girl. That's a work truck. Parked in the weeds, getting her done. Man, with the springs knocked out, she looks pretty good as a lowrider. It's got just that right stance. In the weeds. Looking good. See, that's all you gotta do to lower a car. Take all the suspension out. I've done it before. She's just right looking. Oh yeah, that is nice. All right, now the hardest part, we gotta get the jack in the truck. All right. Whew. We're gonna need some extra beers on this job. All right, we'll load up. I'm tired. There's 2 tires, and I'm too tired. Oh. Cool stuff, man. It's all about cool stuff. We can all do it. I don't know why. I do not know why. Man, I love me that Thunderbird. I bought that and I sold that. Now I want to buy it back. Some good stuff. Good stuff. Alright, guys. I think that does it. Oh, let me catch my breath. I think that about does it. Thanks for watching. If you could, hit that subscribe button, that little bell thing, whatever. Comment. Let me know what you think. All this stuff is for sale, so hit me up. Well, hell. I'm at realhardtoremember@gmail.com. That's realhardtoremember@gmail.com. All one word, obviously. realhardtoremember@gmail.com. Oh. Let me know. Thanks for watching.